Technical, economical and legal requirements are key when it comes to the development of new products. However, decision-making regarding the environmental impact will be more and more key. The design stage determines 80% of the product costs and the environmental impact across the entire life cycle. In order to support decision-making, we need to evaluate our products at an early stage. This is why we introduced our new internal service, the so-called eco-screening assessment. The aim is to identify the hotspots in terms of the CO2 emissions of our products across the entire life cycle, which means from cradle to grave, so from the raw material selection to the production, the transportation and use stage until the end of life. This helps us to find out potentials for further improvement regarding the energy and material efficiency, and it allows us also to evaluate the product carbon footprint of our products during the SEW product development process. Our long-term goal is to automate the so-called eco-screening assessment and in that way to make our knowledge more and more usable in the company.